Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn the different method to sort the dictionary based on the value. So this one I already have done in my last video. I have shown you how you can do it using sorted keyword. But what if interviewer asks you, you don't have to use the sorted keyword. Sorted means method, so you don't have to use the inbuilt sorted method. Then how will you do? So to do this one there are various way, there are various method to do, but simplest way what I can do is, if you have this dictionary, okay, you can try to find out the minimum item. Okay, you find the minimum key and value, then you keep this one, this minimum one, into your new sort key dictionary. Okay, so what I let me frame my sentence again. So what you have to do is, let's suppose that you need to sort this. Okay, sort this fruit dictionary based on value. Okay, so output should be date, banana, apple, and then cherry. So you can think for the logic, like if you can find the minimum value here, means this element. Okay, this element I'm saying, and after getting this one you can put this date colon 1 into one new sorted dictionary, and you keep deleting this from here. Okay, you can keep deleting it and putting it into your newly formed dictionary. So once this dictionary will be erased, means empty, then you can stop it. So what you will find in your sorted dictionary, you will find the sorted element. Okay, so let me show you what, how you can do this one. Let's suppose I've just commented this one. Okay, I commented this as well. This is my previous solution using sorted. So this time I'm not going to use sorted function. So let me create one dictionary. I can create dictionary name. I will keep the same. Okay, let me keep the dictionary name same. This is the output dictionary. So I will try to get minimum from here. Okay, and there is the formula for minimum. Let's suppose the minimum item I want to get. Okay, to get the minimum item there is a function called min. You can apply the minimum function same like how you apply sorted function, same way you can apply here. Okay, because I want the minimum value based on the key, and key is the second part. If you see here, I will, let me run it again. Okay, what is this? If you run this one, fruit.item, you will get one. We clear it. Okay, if you see fruits.item, you will get list of tuple. Okay, and this tuple the same thing I already explained this one. You want to get the minimum from this whole tuple, list of tuple. You want to get the minimum tuple means you want this item, this element, date and one. So you need to find out the minimum value based on key. So key is which value, which position. Key position is 0 and 1. So based on one index you have to sort. It means you have to do the minimum here. So instead of sorted function, we can use the minimum, and you can find the minimum item here. So you can type here fruits dot item and then key, and x will be having both. Okay, and then I want to you have to give the, and the key is the one key parameter that will take the function. So I created the function, and from this function I have supplied second value. Second value means key value here, so 0 and 1. So if you put here 0, it will be key. If you put here 1, it will be value. Okay, so if you run this one, so it is some problem is there because I have given one extra this. So remove this. So now I have, if you see this one, now I have date and 1. This is one tuple. Okay, and this is the minimum value. So now this minimum value I need to insert into this dictionary. So how to insert into dictionary? So let's suppose that this is the same. I'm just explaining you about how you can insert into the dictionary. So let me form one dictionary called A. this you don't have to do it. I'm just for explaining purpose I'm doing this one. So let's suppose that A is dictionary. I want to create this A is empty dictionary. I want to create one dictionary based name and uh, key is name and value is that name. So you can use here A and put it here name, and what is the name? Sumit. Okay. So if you do like this, if you do like this, so let me just run A as well. I didn't run A. Okay. So you now you can see A will have A is dictionary. A will form one dictionary that will having A name as a key and Sumit as a value. So same things we have to also do. I already have this minimum item here. Okay, I already have minimum item here, and minimum item 0 position. If you see here, minimum item min item. What is there at 0 position and what is there at 1 position? Need to see 0 position will get date. Okay, and 1 position will get that value. So now need to insert this into our dictionary, sorry dictionary. Okay, so how you can form this one so that it will be something called date will be your key and value will be 1, like how I have done this one. And same way we need to insert this item inside the fruit sorted. So you can do here, you can write here. See, I will just replace this value to understand clearly. You replace this A with sorted. Okay. Instead of date, what you instead of name what you want? You want date. Okay. So where the date is? It is there in my 0 position. So you can replace this with 0. And what is the value? Where the value is? Value is there in my 1 position. So you can do this one. So now copy this and write here. So hope you understand this 3 line what I have done here. I have created one empty dictionary. I found out the minimum item, okay, minimum item from the dictionary, and once I get the minimum item from the dictionary, I inserted this item date in one inside one dictionary. So that will be my output or a dictionary. And now what you have to do? Now you have to remove the same from main dictionary. Okay, this is input dictionary. From here you have to remove it. Okay, so how you can remove? So there are two ways to remove data from dictionary. One you can use pop, other you can use uh, delete. So here I will use delete. In the delete you can just pass. You can just pass the key. Okay. So where the key is? Key is here. Okay. See, this is the key. If you write this minimum 0, it will delete. Okay. Okay. Remove this one. Date. Okay, date you have to. Date is not that. You have to give. Sorry, I copied wrong. This like this. I have to write here. Okay. So if you run this one, now if you check what is there in fruit, you will get date gone. Okay, this is gone. So this 3 line we need to keep repeating until this fruit dictionary will be empty. So how you can do that? You can simply run one while loop, while dictionary. This is a fruit. You can keep running this one and write this. Okay. So let me remove all the unnecessary stuff from here, and I will run from the beginning. Okay, if you run it from the beginning, so what is my input dictionary? Okay, because this is gone now, because it's deleted. Now what is my output dictionary? You can see this is the output dictionary. It is sorted. Okay, so this is the one method to do uh, sorting. But again, if they will ask like, okay, no, you are using inbuilt function man again, So you don't have to use the main. So then what you will do? Then it's simple. You have to use the sorting technique called bubble sort, merge sort, quick sort, whatever the sorting technique you can use on the value, and then you can sort it. So that will be your, you can learn about how you can do the bubble sort. If you know the bubble sort, then you can easily do this one. I already have the code to do the how you can do using bubble sort. I will just tell you how you can do this one using bubble sort. Let's suppose that you are having the, but I will not explain here bubble sort because it will take most more time. So in some different video I will explain you how the bubble sort work. Okay, so let's suppose this is dictionary here. Okay, I will just remove this one. This is my input dictionary. Create one function, and in this here you will having all the, what you call it, item in the list. Okay, and then this is the bubble sort algorithm here. Bubble sort, what happen is it will keep checking the first element with other element I of 1. It will check with I of I plus 1, and if smaller one is in the second position, it will swap, means bigger one will be coming down. So whatever the element is bigger, it will come down. Uh, so what happened here? Why the name called bubble is because it will bubbling up your higher value at the last. So that's why we call it bubble sort. So this is the bubble sort algorithm we applied here. We are swiping the number when the one element is bigger than the other. So you can use this bubble sort algorithm. You can do this one. So let me run this. Okay. If you run, you can find the sorted item here. Okay. See sorted dictionary. If you print it here, you will get the sorted dictionary. And what is my dictionary? It is my dictionary. Okay. So I have already explained you how you can do it using sorted function. Okay, inbuilt sorted function. If they don't want you do using any sorted function, you can use minimum function to get the minimum and remove it from the list and again put it into the main list, output list. And if you don't have to use any of the inbuilt function, then you can go for some sorting technique that is part of data structure things. For sure I will explain it again, but here I'm using the bubble sort and we can sort it easily. Okay, thank you for watching my video.